Do you want to become an online tutor? I am Saha Param, want to talk about online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching and are also interested in a subject with good knowledge about it, you can start your online coaching. Please do not keep your knowledge to yourself, as you might be having an issue with face-to-face teaching. It will be ideal for you to go for teaching on the internet. When you are trying to create the course to learn online, you need to give upfront information as to why you are doing this coaching and what will be involved. There are a couple of ways you can do it, either teach face-to-face on Skype or create a course and sell it. People will buy it. If you give people a problem and give them a solution, they will have to purchase the course to solve their problem. You may not be able to sell it because other people have a course with the same topic. It is wrong to think that way, as it is evident that there is a market for your product. If not, people will not choose that topic to create the course. Now, all you need to do is try your best to make it a more outstanding, small, and saleable course. When you are building the course, it must be beneficial to the students, and after visiting your course, they should have the transformation and make them think that they have found the solution. Currently, there is a huge demand for online courses because they help people learn from anywhere they prefer. This helps people who cannot go out to learn, busy people, and it is more cost-effective than going to a college to learn. I have created 45 online progresses with outstanding content, videos for each lecture, visuals, and infographics. So, I am ready to help you learn about starting an online system. I have been an instructor at one of the famous platforms for the last 7 years. I hope you will join me to learn about the online course creation. Thank you very much for watching my video.